Hey guys, I'm gonna make you sit through this video in order to find out how you can potentially get your name on our car this year. So, just want to do a quick announcement um, that we are super excited to be having Carson Ware driving our car this year, and we're gonna do several races in the Xfinity Series. We've got some other things going on as well, so you're just gonna have to keep staying tuned to that. But in the past, for those of you who have been following us for a while, you know that we have our Hoops for Kindness anti-bullying campaign. This year, I wanted to do something a little bit different that is a little bit closer to home for our employees and Carson himself. And I took a real, and myself personally as well. So I took a real hard look at what I wanted to do for fundraising efforts this year, and utilizing NASCAR to raise money for good causes is great. Um, we decided this year we're going to partner with the National Association of Children of Addiction, which is a second chance type fundraiser and nonprofit that helps people with their second chance at life, whether it's the children of people impacted by alcoholism, or people impacted by alcoholism themselves trying to get a second chance in life, whether through employment, getting themselves skills to further their life and have a second chance, because we do believe in second chances. It's something. It's a notion that I hold very deeply, that everyone deserves a second chance, and too often in this digital age, people make mistakes very publicly, and and people will hold it against them in perpetuity. When, if especially older folks out there, had they had their worst moment put on display and put in front of millions of people, um, that's just a different world that we live in now, that your worst moment can have a profound impact. And I do believe in second chances. And so, my wife and I, right here actually on our page, we're going to be donating $10,000 to the National Association of Children of Addiction. And we also want to invite any fans of NASCAR to make a donation, and we're going to take the first 25 people that make a donation of $25 or more. One, I am going to match that, and two, we're going to put your name on the deck lid of the car. We're going to do this probably every race. There might be one car that I carve out to put some of our high performing employees' names on the car, but I think we'll probably continue this effort throughout the season. All you have to do is go to costaoils.com/driving chance. And we want to make sure, that's kind of the theme of this fundraiser, is we want to give kids a driving chance. We want to give people a second chance when they have been impacted by alcoholism, whether it's they themselves or family members. So that is how you can get your name on the car. For those of you who are waiting on air fresheners, those are going out this week. Those of you who are waiting on the jacket, we are going to pull the names later this evening for the second one, and then Friday for the last one. And then we're still waiting, Olivia. Please reach out to us. We want to get you that jacket. Thanks, guys. That's it.